blinded in battle, abandoned by the rules, saved by PBBM. He didn't just watch the viral video, he rewrote the policy to honor a hero. This is Malasakit in action. And fam, it's gonna give you absolute goosebumps. A soldier's gratitude goes viral, a president who listens, and a harsh policy shattered by pure malasakit. He didn't just save a career, he restored dignity to every hero in uniform. This is leadership that feels. Today on Thomas on Air, PBBM restores dignity and honor for wounded AFP heroes. Let's spotlight Captain Jerome Jacuba, a warrior who lost his sight but never his vision. He didn't just endure the tragedy, fam. He turned his pain into strength that moved a nation, blinded in the line of fire. No cameras, just pure sacrifice. But when he said, "Thank you, Sir Browner, sa maagang pamasko," it hit the nation differently. That wasn't just gratitude, fam. That was a warrior standing tall, shining bright even in the dark. That message hit Malacanang. And PBBM didn't just listen, he moved fast. Hininto niya ang CDD. Yung malamig na patakaran na basta-basta na lang tinatanggal ang mga sugatang sundalo. This time, he chose the hero over the rule book. Nasugatan sa tungkulin, protected ka na. Hindi lang career, pati dignity at respect, secured para sa bawat sundalo na nag-alay ng lahat para sa bansa. This is more than policy. This is leadership with heart. Beyond the suspension, the AFP is rewriting the future, securing careers, restoring dignity, and honoring every wounded hero. The new AFP career path gives injured soldiers fair, stable opportunities. The message, may tahanan kayo sa AFP, hindi kayo iiwan. Families cheered, troops stood prouder, and online, the nation's pride surged. Every headline tells a story. Every soldier carries sacrifice. At ngayon, nakita natin kung ano ang hitsura ng tunay na malasakit sa liderato. Captain Jacuba teaches us courage. PBBM shows us that humanity can lead and inspire an entire nation. Every soldier now has dignity and a fair future in the AFP, even the wounded. Leadership means protecting people. This is Tomas on Air. Clear and human news. Like, follow, share. See you on the next News in Focus.